Hey LG TV owners, if that annoying HDMI no signal message just popped up, don't sweat it. I've got your back. Let's run through some quick fixes that could save you a ton of time and maybe even a service call. First, power cycling. This isn't just turning your TV off and on with the remote. I'm talking about the real unplug. So go ahead, pull that plug from the wall and give your TV a proper break. While it's unplugged, hunt down the physical power button. It's usually right under the LG logo or tucked on the side. Hold that button in for 15 seconds. This drains any leftover juice and can work wonders. After about 2 minutes, plug it back in and fire it up. Sometimes that's all it takes. Still no signal? Let's check your HDMI connection. Get behind your TV and check that HDMI cable. It might look plugged in, but trust me, sometimes it's just hanging on for dear life. Unplug it, then press gently around the port with your thumb. That helps if the port's a bit loose. Now plug the cable back in, nice and firm. If your TV's got more than one HDMI port, try a different one. You never know, the first port could be the troublemaker. If that doesn't work, grab a spare HDMI cable if you've got one. Even if your current cable looks perfect, sometimes it's hiding a secret problem. Swap it out and see if that brings your picture back. Now don't forget about your input source. Grab your LG remote, hit the source or input button and scroll through until you see the right HDMI port number. Make sure it matches where your device is plugged in. No shame, we've all mixed those up before. If none of this works, as a last resort, you can factory reset your TV. Just know, it'll wipe your apps and settings. Alright, hopefully that did the trick. If you fixed it, let me know in the comments. And if you found another solution, share it so everyone can win. Thanks for watching.